Today on the 205, I hope to get the front end together. So we're going to start with the front damper unit and the upper A-arms here. So I've got all this painted with some dull aluminum from All-Clad. I really like the way that looks. We'll get this together and then we'll start working on the brakes and then the lower A-arms. Now with this All-Clad dull aluminum for the dampers, I also like doing a wash over the dull aluminum, give it a little bit of a used look. That's with the Mr. Weathering Multi-Black, and then taking their solvent and pulling off the Multi-Black and just leaving it down in the cracks between the springs and any little pieces. Like I said, just to give it a little bit of a run-in look. This is a rally car. It needs to look like it's been raced. At least a little bit. Dampers are with the upper A-arms now. Now we're going to attach that sub-assembly to the chassis. So I've finished up putting the drive shaft and the front half shafts in. Super perplexed. I don't get it. I don't understand. It's the end of the day. Sat down here to put on the lower part of the chassis with the lower A-arms, hubs, brake discs, calipers. Get all the steering components together. Cross our fingers. Sometimes this is a little tricky. No. You did not just do that to me. Come on, don't be a dick. Come on, just go in. Well, the tolerances were real tight on that, and it snapped the pin somehow. Bent it backwards, and I'm not sure how it did that. But that one went in. That one decided to be a jerk and not work. We'll have to fix that. I'm just going to try and clamp it and see if that'll work. If I can even reach. Will the jaw reach in that far? We'll find out. Pressure on it there. I guess I'll hold it. So the suspension now is all in the car. The fun thing about this is you're not going to see any of this because that belly pan is going to cover this whole thing because it gets painted. I guess I just glued this slightly off after the pin snapped. It's just a hair curved. It doesn't affect anything. I should have taken a little bit better care and looked at it like this, you know, straight on when I clamped it down and glued it. So a lesson learned there. And then I just did a little bit of detail work on the bolts and stuff. It's a little hard to see, but you can kind of see them there. Painted the bolt heads and stuff. I'm liking the way this is turning out. The 205 is going together pretty smooth. There's been a few hiccups along the way,